Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are well. In a previous video, you can see that we have convert mixed fraction into fraction. So it's time again to reverse our process. We have fractions. Now we have to convert into mixed fraction or a number. The question is convert fraction into mixed fraction. So part A will be very easy. We have question 16 upon 5. Okay, very easy. Now we have to make a divide like this, 5 and 16. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. Okay, 5 threes are 15. So we have to subtract it. What will be the answer? 1. So we have to make a 3 very big. Then there is a fraction line. The remainder should be placed here and the divisor should be placed here. So we convert fraction into mixed fraction. Part B. Very easy. 21 divided by 2. So again we have to write 2 here, denominator, and the numerator inside. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4 till the 10 we have 20. Okay, 2 tens are 20. We have to subtract this, so the remainder is 1. So we have to write the answer here 10 and remainder is 1 here and the divisor should be placed here. I hope you understand it. Now it's time for part C. So the part C is also very easy to everyone. So we have a question. 33 is a number at numerator and 9 in denominator. So again we have to make a division structure. 9 should be outside, 33 should be inside. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18 and 9 threes are 27 and 9 fours are 36. So 36 becomes a bigger number. So 3 is a correct answer. So 27 here we have to subtract it. So we get the answer which is 6. If we subtract 33 from 27, we got the answer which is 6. Again we have to put 3 here, 6 here, and because of the remainder, and here is a divisor. Okay, now it's time for D. Okay, I hope you are enjoying the lesson. So 12 again is a numerator and 7 is a denominator. So again we have to make the structure. 7 is outside and 12 is inside. Okay. So 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. So 1 is the correct answer. 7 here we have to subtract it. So if we subtract 12 minus 7, so answer will be 5. So again 1 is our answer, 5 is our remainder, and 7 is our divisor. So we put in a denominator. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and you will learn something new inshallah in the next video. If you like my video, please share your love through comment section. Allah Hafiz.